Have you ever felt ashamed of not satisfying your partner because of erection problems? As you grow older, you'll find it a little difficult to get a strong erection and satisfy your partner in bed. A weak erection can strain your sexual relationship, and hurt your pride as well, to say the least. So, it is always necessary to maintain a healthy lifestyle for a fully satisfying sex life. Remember, a strong and hard erection is something women crave most for while you gear up for some action between the sheets. We bring you 6 ways to get a harder erection. 1. Eat well. Keep it hard. Simple changes in your diet can increase your libido and give you a harder erection. Foods like bananas, eggs, nuts, figs, chilies, onions, and wine can increase your sexual prowess. Word of caution, steer clear of junk food. 2. Your penis needs exercise. Healthy men are always sexually active. Exercise is one of the best ways to increase your sex drive and sexual potency. It reduces stress, which is an erection killer, and helps enhance testosterone production in the body. Kegel exercises are a perfect workout for the penis. 3. Avoid smoking or drinking alcohol. You must have heard this a million times. Smoking and drinking can really affect your sexual life. Smoking decreases your blood circulation, and results in less lung capacity. It can impact your ability to get and maintain an erection. And alcohol can numb the body and lead to temporary erectile dysfunction. 4. Don't masturbate too often. Save something for a real sex. Excessive masturbation can decrease your sexual appetite. Continual erections and ejaculations may lead to weaker erection the next day. So, control the urge. 5. Know the right sex positions. Always warm up with oral sex. Sexual positions like missionary and doggy style allow more blood flow, leading to a stronger and harder erection. And don't ever let her ride you first. 6. Throw away those tight undergarments. Avoid wearing tight, or any, undergarments, for that matter, while sleeping. It restricts blood flow to the penile tissues, which in turn can affect erection strength. Always go for loose, airy underwear. Simply stop worrying about weak erections and lead a healthy sex life. This is the very first episode of Season 5, guys. I am the Imperfect Man. Leave all your interesting and creative responses in the comment box below. I'll see you all next time.